Okay, here at Roost and Boostin', this is a video on why you shouldn't buy an Arctic Cat, okay? Arctic Crap. This is an F1000. This is a RZ 580 Arctic Cat.
I think they put bigger numbers to make them look faster.
Yeah, just, you know, this one's kind of a pile of junk. Like, the hood is just terrible. Terrible, absolutely terrible. Windshield, too, real, you know, springy. Sled is just terrible shape. Seat is super ripped, crazy ripped. The Speedo, it only has 49 miles on this sled, and it's in kilometers, too. So, like, that's all I could really make it to. She's locked up too bad. So, like, watch, won't even run. Anyways, in here we got extremely rusty. It's a pile.
Bad compression.
Super bad compression. See, the plugs come off way too easy. Usually on my sled, it's like hard to take these off. Your this this is the coolant reservoir, and it's full of oil too, which is kind of stupid. So it must have a leaking blow-by sensor. And the gas tank the gas tank, there's the gas tank, there's freaking algae growing in there. Look how green that is. There is straight algae in there. Yeah, it's algae. Anyways, he's just pumping it straight into his motor. Algae's right there. That's terrible. Tinfoil carburetor boots. Junk. Super rusty pipe. Look at that. Just rust. Just rust. What else is on this thing? The track. Not enough power to do nothing to the track, so no worries there. But pretty much the worst condition sled I've seen. But you can't go wrong. It's an Arctic Cat. Just buy a Skidoo, guys. Look at this rust. Skidoos don't rust. Skidoos don't look green either. They got better things to be doing. So, now on to the F1000. F1000, that's just useless. Right here, if you don't believe me, 1000. Hood pops up for easy access to work on it. More rust, because, you know, Arctic Cats rust. Metal skis are junk. Look at these. Metal skis. Who puts metal skis on new sleds anymore? Same here. Look at these stupid. They're even flexible. Junk. Junk. Track on this thing. Chooched. Absolute chooched.
It's because there's too much power.
No power. Too much Skidoo is dragging you along on the trail. That's what it is. More rust. More rust. What else? This thing's super low compression. Watch this. Super low. Extremely low compression. Electric start don't work. Reverse don't work. None of the gauges work. What else? Flexible hand guards are junk. This thing's literally held on by zip ties. Look at those zip ties. Junk. The coolant reservoir in this thing has freaking red oil. I don't know what it is about Arctic Cats and their oil and their coolant. I think it's the O2 sensors that leak by on these stupid things. Let me take the zip ties off here. Look at this. What even they call these things? Look at how low compression this is. I can just move it with my hand. These rubber zip ties too are just always blowing on these Arctic Cats.
Too much power.
No power, mod. They like to have their motors like freaking crooked and backwards because it looks like their owners. But Just stop buying Arctic Cats. We made this video because we want to get the word out. We're gonna make more. This is just one of many. Just stop buying them. We're tired of seeing our good friends and family being cheated by Arctic Cats. What else?
Well, just wait till you get gapped by an Arctic Cat this winter.
The only gap there's gonna be is between me and my tow rope. Dents in it. Look at that. So many times it's got jumped over by a skidoo probably. Boy. I don't know. I'm honestly very, look at this. Easy thing. Quick look in there, see how much gas he got, because, you know, they're too cheap to make a gas gauge. God dang. But, like, flimsy. Look at this. Don't even snap down. I don't know. I don't know what else to say, but stop buying these piles. They're just bad. But vote for Trump.